isn't it a little bit biased that this picture give an idea or give an impression that you do know the factors in advance? It is a little bit in line of what Mr. Portman told you.
Not totally agree, because I know this is all based on psychological factors. So I know from before, it should be a psychological factor for someone to accept or not a new technology.
But as a researcher, don't you have to separate your personal opinion and the opinion of the literature?
But this is not my personal opinion. This is what I've seen in early studies. It's all based on psychological factors, so it's not my work.
At a certain page 63, there you say about this questionnaire study, that you say the survey instrument used consisted of a questionnaire administered through a personal interview of about 544 respondents. Did you really talk with all those 544 people?
No, so that's a mistake. Yeah.
Okay.
It's not a personal by me, but it's a personal interview by the students.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
So it was okay. You had a kind of you had people working.
Exactly. Yeah. The students of the University of Curaçao, as part of their course material marketing research, they did it.
Okay.
So
they had an interview and then they asked people, would you like to fill out?
Exactly. That's how it was.
They took care. They filled it out. You know.
Yes, exactly. That's how it was actually.
Clear, that's good, yeah.
Dat betekent dat ik de bevolking, laten we zeggen, vragen moet gaan voorleggen hoe ze denken over de ervaringen van het nieuwe bestuursmodel, zodat ik een idee kan krijgen wat de bevolking van Bonaire denkt over het nieuwe bestuursmodel. 5 jaar na het datum dat het ingevoerd is. Dan moet ik dan dat aan de bevolking voorleggen, deel van de bevolking. Dan moet ik ook kijken wat zijn de belemmeringen die eigenlijk good governance in de weg staan.